Hey everyone, welcome back to Alltech. Today we're diving deep into the MetaQuest 3S, the latest all-in-one VR and mixed reality headset that promises to transform your world. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out. Right out of the box, the MetaQuest 3S looks sleek, lightweight, and comfortable. Meta has refined the design, making it more ergonomic than its predecessors. The headset feels premium, and the wireless freedom it offers is a game changer. It's designed for effortless movement, whether you're gaming, working, or just exploring immersive experiences. One of the standout features of the Quest 3S is its enhanced mixed reality. You can now blend digital objects into your physical space seamlessly. Whether you're gaming or multitasking, the ability to keep an eye on your real-world surroundings is incredibly useful. Want to have a truly immersive VR session? Just dial up the setting, and you'll be fully transported into another world. If you're a gaming enthusiast, you're in for a treat. With the purchase of the Quest 3S, you get Batman Arkham Shadow, an exclusive title launching on October 22nd. That alone is a major win for Batman fans. Plus, the 3-month trial of MetaQuest Plus lets you explore a variety of top-tier games, a $70 combined value that adds great incentive to buy now. The Quest 3S supports thousands of VR experiences, from intense action-packed games to relaxing virtual worlds. Whether you're dodging bullets, solving puzzles, or battling ghosts in your living room, the tracking is ultra-responsive and the visuals are stunning. Meta has put a big focus on social connectivity, making it easy to have fun with friends in virtual spaces. You can play multiplayer games, watch concerts in Meta Horizon, or even cast your gameplay onto a TV for everyone in the room to enjoy. Plus, social media integration with WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook Messenger ensures that you stay connected while gaming. The Quest 3S isn't just for gaming. It's also an impressive productivity tool. You can pull up multiple screens, browse the web, watch YouTube, and chat with friends simultaneously, all while keeping your room in view. Whether you're working, learning, or just exploring, the multitasking capabilities are next level. Want to watch movies on a giant screen? The Quest 3S turns any room into your own personal theater. Dim the space around you for an immersive effect and enjoy a vibrant display with crisp audio. You can also connect USB-C headphones or use a 3.5mm adapter for a more private experience. For fitness lovers, this headset offers a new way to work out. Move freely with no wires holding you back, get your heart pumping with fitness games, or even use your entire body in interactive experiences. It's a fantastic way to stay active while having fun. The MetaQuest 3S is a powerhouse in the world of VR and mixed reality. With unparalleled wireless freedom, stunning visuals, social connectivity, and multitasking features, it offers something for everyone. The free Batman Arkham Shadow game and MetaQuest Plus trial make this an even sweeter deal. If you're looking for an all-in-one headset that lets you game, work, socialize, and stay entertained in ways you never imagined, the MetaQuest 3S is definitely worth considering. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Will you be picking one up? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech reviews. See you in the next one.